Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel.
Canadian nga hilaw.
So guys, today we're going to do lavender picking. I don't know where's the address. It's the name of the farm is Sea Foam Lavender Picking. So guys, see you there. Hi guys, so we're here at the Sea Foam Lavender Picking here at River Jan, Nova Scotia. Hi, say hi.
Hey guys, this is my lavender farm. Joke, just kidding.
What's he do the picking?
Diyan sa baba ng school, yan minsan. Isa na yung pin.
Matanim ba to? Hindi
Ganito, kanan?
guys, Putsi is now picking,
Harvesting my...
harvesting her lavender farm. Kana nindot pa ka. Lavender farm.
Are
Sea foam.
Guys, meet Chippy. No, my photographer. Guys, like his page. Chip Caspi Photography. Guys, feeling kayo siya. Ano? Tignan. Tignan ito siya. Tignan ito siya. Pinigyan. Spine na siya ng ganito.
Magkano na yan, Plan? Mga $2 para to.
And just
Welcome to Lavender.
love it.
So guys, we're done lavender picking. So that's what we
topic for today.
God, look.
That's it, guys.
For
So,
$5.
So $1 each, including the reviews.
so it's like $5 an inch for a diameter. So it smells so good here, windy plus sunny. So we're here under the tree. We're hiding from the sun. So that's it for our vlog today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Canadian nga nila!
See you